Vacuum sealers occupy a strange space in the kitchen, universally useful, yet frequently misunderstood. They're not just for bulk buyers or hunters with walk-in freezers, they're for anyone who's tired of throwing away spoiled produce, freezer-burned meat, or leftovers that went bad before they were eaten. The problem is that most sealers fall into one of two traps. They're either powerful but finicky, or simple but underpowered. After analyzing thousands of user experiences and technical specifications, I've identified 5 models that strike the right balance, each with a distinct strength, a specific audience, and no compromises where it counts. The FoodSaver V4400 is the benchmark every other sealer chases. Automatic bag detection means you just insert the bag. The machine handles vacuum and seal sequence. Moisture detection switches modes automatically, critical for wet meats or soups. The built-in roll storage and cutter make custom bags effortless. 5-year warranty says they trust the build. The removable drip tray catches overflow liquids and goes in the dishwasher. It's not cheap, but it's the most consistent, user-friendly sealer on the market. Best for the serious home cook who wants reliability, convenience, and FoodSaver's massive accessory ecosystem. The Vakumar gives you 10 modes for total control. Liquid mode handles soups and stews that would drown other sealers. Variable pressure lets you go strong for dense meat or soft for fragile berries. Pulse mode means you stop exactly when the bag compresses enough. The 90 kilopascals commercial-grade motor seals over 200 cycles continuously. Double heat seals add security. 11-inch built-in cutter and bag storage. 5-year warranty. It's larger and more complex than the FoodSaver, but for the power user who wants surgical precision, this is the choice. Best for the serious meal prepper and sous vide enthusiast who demands absolute control. The Instaseal prioritizes one thing: footprint. At 5x5 by 9 inches, it's the smallest upright sealer here. But it doesn't compromise on core function. Automatic sensor precision removes air and stops when sealing is complete, no guessing. Double seal prevents leaks and freezer burn. 12 pre-cut bags included to get you started. The trade-off? No built-in roll cutter, no moisture mode, fewer features. It's simple by design. Best for the apartment dweller, RV owner, or occasional user with limited counter space who needs a reliable sealer that disappears into a cabinet when not in use. Anova knows Sous Vide. This sealer is optimized for it. Single button operation makes it dead simple. Insert bag, press, done. Separate pulse and seal functions give you manual control for delicate items. 10 pre-cut bags included. The compact footprint fits any kitchen. But here's the catch. It's minimalist by design. No moisture modes, no built-in cutter, no accessory port for canisters. It's a focused tool for a specific task. Best for the sous vide enthusiast who wants a dedicated, reliable, no-fuss sealer that pairs perfectly with their immersion circulator and doesn't need the bells and whistles. The NutriChef delivers surprising versatility at a budget price point. Selectable dry and moist modes handle most foods competently. The included air suction hose extends functionality to vacuum canisters and wine stoppers. 110 watts is modest, but it seals consistently. The kit includes 5 medium bags and a 78-inch roll, everything you need to start. 65 years of parent company backing inspires confidence. The build is ABS plastic. It won't outlast the commercial-grade units, but for the price, it's a solid performer. Best for the budget-conscious user who wants a capable all-rounder for basic meal prep without over-investing.